going on, everybody? Happy 2019. Just wanted to make a quick tutorial today, basically on how to brighten eyes. So lots of times when you're taking portraits, the model will look great, the lighting will be great and everything, but sometimes the eyes come out dull in the pictures. And there's an easy, quick fix to do that in Photoshop. So the picture's already opened up in Photoshop. So what I'm gonna do is come over to the adjustments menu and I'm gonna hit the curves right there. And what it'll do is it'll make a second layer right above the background layer. So then I will make sure it's highlighted and I will go in and change it from normal to screen mode. What that's gonna do is incredibly brighten the screen. So then I will go over to the keyboard and hit Command-I, which bakes it back to normal. And if you can figure out pretty easily that once I go into enhance eye, that brightness will come back out. I'm just painting it back on the eye. So since I've got two eyes, and I've noticed that if I use one layer, then one eye sometimes seems brighter. So this gives you individual control over how the eyes look. So I will drag this down here, and this duplicates that layer. So then I will grab this tool, which is the brush tool. And what I want to do is, you can see I'm hovering over the left eye now. I want to get it in here where it's not too wide because I don't want to hit any of the black or the outline of her eye. So I'll come in and I'll just paint it in like this and make sure it's nice and full like that. And then if I've missed any spots, I'll just kind of fill them in and brighten it up a little bit. Then I'll do the second eye, and I'll do the same thing. Come in and just brighten it up. I have no idea why it's thinking while I'm doing this. It's kind of annoying. And there we go. So now that I've got both eyes like that, I'll come over to the opacity and I will drop it down to 20% just as a base. You can go a little bit above that, or if it's too bright, you can go below that, but I wouldn't go too much above that because it looks kind of freaky. So if I turn off those layers, you can see. Now, when I was first got into photography, one of my mentors told me the best thing ever to do is never stay zoomed in. Always check out what changes you've made in Photoshop. Zoom out and zoom in because it's amazing how much different it can look with just a little bit of zoom. So as you can see, it's very subtle, but it gives you a nice little boost of light in there. Turn it off one more time, and then back on. So that's just a little quick tutorial on how to make the eyes brighter, give them a little bit more life sometimes. You need that in your portraits just to make them pop a little bit. I think the next short little tutorial I'm gonna do is cleaning up areas like this where you've got individual hairs that are sticking out, especially when you backlight. You'll see this all the time. And I'll do a little short tutorial on how to clean those up and make that look nice. All right, have a great evening, and I'll talk to you soon.